I'm very lucky I've had an opportunity to be in the Apatani tribe's house. And these ladies have offered me to cook and dance and discuss social issues together. And the first dance they're going to do is between a man and a woman, and it's a romantic dance. So maybe I might be able to meet or take home one of these lovely ladies. Is that correct?
Okay.
Fantastic. It's a fantastic folk dance. It's very romantic. It's one of the oldest ones that they have, and it's a real pleasure that they're going to show us this dance. What an amazing dance it was. We have one more, which is the Daminda dance, which is another folk dance, which is all over the Apatani region, and they practice it in any occasion, and we're honored again to be able to have this amazing opportunity. Off you go, girls. Absolutely honored because I've been invited into Nyam Nyang's house, and she's going to teach me a traditional dish. So one of the dishes is, it's chicken egg in bamboo. And this is very traditional. So we've got 2 eggs that have gone into probably about maybe 200 grams of chicken, and the chicken is mixed up with the bone and everything. 3 eggs are going in. It's very much egg and chicken. Where you learn your English? Where did she speak English? English, a little bit? No English at all? No English. But you know bamboo, you know egg, and you know chicken. So you're breaking up the egg and the chicken together, but not whisking it. So again, you know, this type of cuisine here, it's very found and foraged. And I love that expression, found and foraged, because I find that's very much a tribal food. It's important to keep these traditions alive and to keep these recipes alive, because this is the origins of where we all started when we were cooking. Okay? And then put the bamboo on here, just straight on, like this. And then we cook for how long? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Or 20 minutes?
20 minutes, 15 minutes.
Up to me. There is no time. It's ready when it's ready. So this dish is called pile, which is basically a pickle or brine. So what they have here, silu, which is like a magnolia nut that they have. Then they also have here is the fermented bamboo, that they ferment in the ground. And then they also have some chili as well, pickle. And then they also have a kind of pepper that's from this area as well. So almost like a Szechuan pepper. And then also they have the pork here. Pork's been air dried, looks like maybe for about 6-7 months. And then it's been air dried above. And then she's gonna mix it into here, into the brine. And then she's gonna add her pile juice here, and that's gonna be put in, and that's from the black ash. And then that's been it's been reduced a little bit. She's gonna add that in, and that becomes a nice salty sort of brine. And that's basically very much for their beer food. And I see that she has a little bit of whiskey that goes with it, yes? Whiskey, and this is good? The best?
Best.
The best. No? So we have eggplants in here. Every meal here always consists of also some vegetables. And so what she's doing here, she has mustard leaves. Have a taste.
Yum.
So it's mustard leaves, and then she's going to boil that with bamboo as well. So it's been about 20 minutes, and we've cooked it. So now we're going to open. There we go. She delicately cuts it in 4 different places, and she pulls it open. What a great way for a simple protein dish. There we go, and we spoon that out. Okay, so now my turn. So it's 4 times. We break it, and then we scrape that out, and you've got a wonderful chicken and egg dish that has involved no oil and no water, just very simple, steaming in its own bamboo juices. It's amazing. We've got a little bit of mustard green with dried bamboo, And then we have a little bit of chicken and egg. And then we have our pork and salio. And then you got your eggplants. Okay, so we have a taste of this first. Chicken's very good, tender, got lots of egg in it. It works well. Here is the interesting fermented
Uli.
pork.
Pork. Uli.
Uli. And then they have the suli. Salio. So, again, pork's tasty, fermented, a little bit sour. And then you have the eggplant. Here.
Biako.
Eggplant, very simple. And then this one you eat.
Salyo.
Quite interesting, this. And it's very aromatic. It's pickled. You got the Szechuan peppers in there as well. They're very interesting. And then of course you have your vegetables. With your mustard green. It's just a fascinating meal. It's all very much taken from the jungle, and they've used it and they've adopted it. If we ate like this more often, we would be eating a lot more healthier and a lot more better for ourselves. This is fantastic. So I'm here with Tam, who's the owner of the house, and he's very kindly allowed us to come in, and we've been able to cook with your wife, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about the village. We're in the Hung village?
Hang village is the second largest village in the Asian continent. Nowadays, the first largest village in Asian continent.
Okay.
We have a rich culture, rich tradition. We are cultivating. Cultivating is farming is different between that is cultivating is for the self.
Okay.
Farming is for selling.
Okay.
That's the difference.
So basically, what you grow, you eat, and you are self-sufficient.
Yeah, here we grow paddy grains. There paddy grain, there is the many type of variety of paddy grains. So we grow paddy grains and to eat ourselves.
Do yourself.
Some percentage of the village is Christianity.
Yeah.
I believe in animist called the Danipulo.
Yeah. Missionaries coming in, do you think that it is a good thing? Has it had some positive impact, and has it had some negative impact?
Positive and as well as negative. 50-50 I think.
50-50. So what is the positive?
Positive means the people of village aware something cleanliness like that. No?
So you live healthier.
Yeah.
And more educated.
More educated, and they started education institution. So this is the positive things.
And the negative?
And negative things is they wanted to convert
everybody.
And this is the negative. After 20 years, definitely life will be changed, because everybody want to live in the town like that.
Okay. So everyone wants to move into the town.
Yeah. And also one thing is that everybody runs after the government job. So those who have government jobs, they are staying in the posting place. No?
So I heard that this area has only been opened up in the past sort of 20 years, since 1994. Is that correct?
20 years, 30 years ago. The earlier the tourists came like this scholar tourists.
Right.
Those who want to document the tradition culture like that.
Traditional culture. Okay.
I must live on bamboo.
I
eat bamboo. We use firewood for bamboo, and we use for the house and fencing.
Yeah.
Apatani is live on bamboo.
And you cook on bamboo as
well?
Cook
on bamboo like that.
Yeah. In English, what we say is, I've crossed the bamboo bridge, which means I've married an Asian lady. I've crossed the bamboo bridge.
Yeah.
And you never go back from the bamboo bridge.
Yeah. It could, I'm doing just roaming here and there like that. I'm a lazy person.
And your wife, and she does all the cooking and everything?
Yeah. She used to cook.
Right.
For us, and sometimes they do like weavings like that.
Weaving. Okay, fantastic. Well, listen, thank you so much for having me.
Most welcome.
It's been an absolute pleasure, Tom.
Most welcome.
It's been great. I've made a new friend here.
Yeah, thank you.